Moving on to the next example, example number 2. If A is to B 5 is to 6 and B is to C equal to 8 is to 9, then find A is to B is to C. This is a very common question, and you can expect one question in your examination, a sum like this. A is to B given as 5 is to 6 and B is to C given as 8 is to 9. You have to find A is to B is to C. In the previous question, B was not there. That's why you multiplied and you had got the first and the third letter. Here, you have to find A is to B is to C. So, A is to be given as 5 is to 6. So, what will you write? A is to A by B as 5 is by 6. And B is to C is given as 8 is to 9. So, you write B by C equal to 8 by 9. Now, very important step. You can see B is 6 here, B is 8 here. But you have to find A is to B is to C. But the value of B here and B here is not same. One is 6 and one is 8. So in that case, remember students, you have to find the LCM of 6 and 8. That means 6 here, 8. So you have to find the LCM of 6 and 8. I have found the LCM of 6 and 8 as 24. After deriving the LCM of 6 and 8, we will convert this ratio, A by B. How will we convert? See, I have written out here. A by B, now I'll convert 5 by 6 as I'll multiply. I have got here LCM as 24. So, how can I make the denominator 24? It's 6 given. So, if I multiply 6 with 4, I'll get 24. Now, remember students, whenever in a ratio, if you are multiplying by any digit, in the numerator, in the denominator, remember you'll multiply by the same digit with the numerator. I repeat once again, whatever you multiply in the denominator or numerator, you have to multiply by that same digit in the numerator as well. Suppose if you multiply with 4 here, you will multiply in the numerator also with 4. If you multiply in the numerator with 3, you have to multiply in the numerator with 3. Here we are multiplying with 4 because we have to get 24. How can we get 24? When 6 is there, you multiply with 4 to get 24. Now when you are multiplying the denominator, remember you will multiply in the numerator also with 4. So 5 into 4. So you are multiplying top and bottom both with 4. So, I get as 20 by 24. So, my new ratio now, A by B, becomes 20 by 24. Now, I move on to B by C. Now, B by C, I have to make 8 also as 24. How can I make 8 24? If I multiply 8 with 3, it becomes 24. Now, when I am multiplying with the numerator with 3, I have to multiply by that same digit in the denominator as well with 3. So, 8 into 3 becomes 24. 9 into 3 is equal to 27. Now, students, check here. You got B in the denominator as 24. You got B here in the numerator also as 24. So, B is same out here. Now, I can easily find out A is to B is to C. So, I can easily find out A is to B is to C. How? 20 is to 24. I'll write 24 only once. I won't be writing it twice because it's the same digit. So, 24 is to 27. So, 20 is to 24 is to 27. For A it is 20. For B it's 24. That's common. And for C it's 27. So, A is to B is to C is 20 is to 24 is to 27. I repeat once again. You convert the ratios in division form. Then find out. Then check whether B here and B here is same or not. If it is not same, find out the LCM. After finding out the LCM, you have to convert each ratios. Now, how will you convert? Actually, you will convert the denominator to find out this LCM value out here. You will multiply with that digit so that you can get this LCM value. When you are multiplying, the denominator will multiply by the same digit in the numerator and then get the new value. Similarly, out here also you will multiply with the numerator so that you can get the LCM, and you will multiply by the same digit. Whatever you multiply here, you will multiply by the same digit denominator. So, you are getting the new value as 24 by 27. Finally, your answer turns out after you get the same digit here for B, you can easily find out A is to B is to C as 20 is to 24 is to 27. Go through this video, children, again and again and try to do the sum yourself. Any doubts? Please ask me.